Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about planning in sports. Today, physical education play an important role in modern education system. It's help in all-round development of an individuals. Modern physical education systems include variety of activity in its program. Therefore, physical education's program need good planning for organizing its activity. Proper and effective plannings give maximum benefit from the program of physical education and sports. The success of physical education's program depend upon effective planning. So, planning it is four-third. It is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about setting goal and developing strategies which are required to attain the goal efficiently. Means planning it is a process in which we set our goals, develop strategy and outline the tasks to attain the goal. Okay, physical planning it is a process, intellectual process in which we think in advance about our goals and develop strategies, outline the tasks to achieve our goal efficiently. Planning it is pre-work and we do in advance before the program. What are its objective? Objective of planning. The first objective of planning is to achieve the aim of program. Planning is done according to the aim. So planning helps to achieve the aim of planning. To consider the requirement of program. Planning begin with requirement of the program based upon number of participations, type of activities, level of participations, etc. It's help to consider the requirement for the program to reduce the chance of mistake. If we make planning in advance, then the chance of mistake will be reduced. To bring up coordinations. Planning helps to bring proper coordinations among various committee. Okay, if we make planning, there will be the proper coordinations between various committee. Because if we make planning in advance, this committee will know their duties, what they have to do. So they will perform their duties efficiently and effectively, coordinating with each others. Use of available resource. Planning is made according to the available resource. So we can so the resource can be arranged for the program. To arrange the resource, a good planning guide us how to arrange the resource, that is what items we should purchase, borrow or hire. To make the schedule of program. Planning helps to make the schedule of the program, and according to that schedule we conduct our program, like venue of the program, time, durations, etc. To give information to concern. Planning helps to give informations related to program. To form various committee. Planning helps to form various committee which helps to organize the program. To direct and guide duties of various committee. In planning we make various committee and it helps to direct and guide their duties. What are their duties? The committee know their duties. To provide management and coordinations. Planning is made regarding proper management and coordinations among various committee. To plan during program work. Planning it also done during the program, that is how to meet the immediate needs. If there is any emergency, how we can meet it, to check, supervise, to coordinate between various committee, etc. To plan after the program. Planning is also done after the program, that is to make the report of the program, making if we have taken any equipment, returning it, making the exact expenditures of that program, etc. Okay, we do planning before the program, after the program, during the program, etc. To consider the boarding and loading needs. Planning is required to boarding and loading needs of the program. These are the objective of planning. Planning it is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about our goal and making strategies to achieve that goal. Importance of planning. The first importance is give directions. If we make planning helps to give directions to achieve our goal. Reduce undue pressures. If we make planning in advance, then it's help to reduce the stress during the tournament, during the program, because they know their duties. Therefore, the pressures will reduce during the tournament. To develop creative idea. If we make planning, then it's hard to develop new creative idea for the program. Good controls over activities. Planning also helps to keep controls over various activities. We can control various activities of the tournament. Increase success. Good planning ensures success. If we make planning, then the chance of success will be more. The failures can be prevented by making good planning. Increase coordinations. Planning helps to bring coordinations among various committees. There will be the proper coordinations. If we make planning, then there will be the proper coordinations between various committees. Improve resource. Planning helps to give good use of resource. We can reuse our resource efficiently, economically, etc. Prevent wastage. If we make planning, the wastage of resource will be minimum, because we know our requirement, etc. Increase efficiency. Planning improve the efficiency. Thus, maximum output can be gained and it reduces the stress. Good schedules. Planning helps to make good schedule of the program, good schedule of the tournament, and good schedules utilizations of time with comfortable rest time for the officials, etc. These are the importance of planning. Okay, if we make planning, it helps to give directions, reduce stress of the players, officials. The chance of failures will be reduced. There will be the proper coordinations between various committee, good controls over others' activities, increase success, prevent wastage of time, money, helps to make schedules, reduce the pressures, increase the efficiency, etc. These are the importance. Various committee and their responsibility. Today, Sports tournaments are participated with great enthusiasm among large number of teams. Good tournament has a healthy competitions, and to organize it we require a good planning. For smooth conduct of the tournament, it is necessary to form various committee, and this committee should perform their duties with full responsibilities along with good coordinations among them. And the duties of these committees are pre before the tournament their duties, during the tournament, after the tournaments their duties. Okay, committee, it is a group of peoples who uh, who perform to organize the program, and to organize a good program, good tournament, we require to form various committee, and this committee should perform their duties, perform their responsibility with coordinating with each others. Like for conducting the tournament we require the committee like organizing committee, financial committee, loading and boarding committee, discipline committee, technical committee, financial committee, ground arrangement committee, etc. These are the committees which are required to organize the tournament. Let's discuss about their duties during the tournament, before, during and afters. Like first, chairperson or tournament directors. Chairperson, it is the head of the institutions. If you are organizing tournament, it is the head of that tournament. And the duties of chairpersons before the tournament is to plan for the success of tournament. He make all planning for the success of tournament, make the arrangement of fund, etc. During the tournament, his responsibility is to look after overall arrangement of the tournament, welcoming of the guests, smooth conduct of the tournament, to monitors the technical committee, etc. After the tournament, his responsibility is to summarize the success of the tournament and value of the tournament. Okay, chairperson, that is head of the institutions. For examples, in our school, principals act as a chairpersons, and the teachers are the technical organizing committee. Chief technical advisor. Chief technical advisor, he is a well qualified, experienced and expert from the related game. For example, if you are organizing the football tournament, then the chief technical advisor has full experience about that game. He should be well qualified about that game. His duties before the tournament is to check the technical aspect of the tournament, like playground. He looked that the playground is according to the rules, checking of equipment, making of fixture, guiding others officials, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to supervise the various committee. He does supervision, check the progress of the tournament, to check that the tournament are according to the rules of the game or not, to handle technical dispute. If there is any technical problems, this chairperson, chief technical advisors handle the problems, to deal with protests, objections, etc. After the tournament, his duties is to make the report of the tournament, to inform the success of the tournament to the concerned game federations. Okay, he make the report of the tournament and um, inform it to the higher authority, to the federation of that game. Organizing secretary, it is the organizing secretary. It organize the tournament. For example, physical education teachers is the organizing. He organize secretary, organize the program. Before the tournament, his duty is to make all the planning for the tournament. Okay, he make the planning for the tournament, get approved from the higher authority, make all the arrangement required for the tournaments like equipment, score sheet, official, certificate, list of the possible equipment, discuss about the budget, he make the budget, etc. Okay, organizing committee, he organized the tournament, and before the tournament his duty is to make planning of the tournament, making getting approved from the higher authority, making all the arrangement of that tournament like equipment, score sheet, discussing about budget, making rules and regulation, collecting the consent letters, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to coordinate with different committees. Okay, organizing secretary coordinate with different committees for smooth conduct of the tournament. Handles immediate problem. If there is any immediate problems, organizing committee handle it. Deal with protests, objections, etc. After the tournament, his duties is to give vote of thanks to the concerns, making a final report of the tournament, budget, expense detail, etc. Ground arrangement committee, he make before the tournament, his duties is to make the ground as per the rules of the game, arrangement of ceremonial functions like opening and closing, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to provide equipment for the match, to manage all the needful facilities near the playground. After the tournament, his duties is to collect the equipment, okay, to whom he has given, to collect from them and returns the equipment if he has borrowed. Technical committees, before the tournament, his duties is to arrange over the play field as technical requirement, like to organize the tournament, what equipment are required, like score sheet, officials, equipment, etc. During the tournament, his duty is to conduct the game as per the schedule, to perform the duties of referee, umpire, handle the table, official tables, timekeeper's duty, filling of score sheet, to check the scoreboard, etc. Okay, he conduct the game. Discipline committee, his duties before the tournament is to check the crucial and dangerous point and make all the arrangement accordingly. During the tournament, his duties is to manage overall discipline near the ground, control the discipline, to handle, ensure that there is no hindrance during the process of match, etc. After the tournament, his duty is to provide safe exit of the players and spectators, audience. Reception committee, before the tournament, his duties is to arrange all the required details and equipment, making up to get the schedule of the program, to be aware by all boarding and loading rules of the tournament, checking the details of the team, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to inform about the tournament, to make arrangement for the stay, collections of payment, returning the security money, etc. After the tournament, his duties is to check and refund the security money, handles the certificate to them, etc. Finance committee. Finance committee, his duties before the tournament is to make the approximate expense of the tournament and get it approved from the higher authority, planning for raising the fund, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to provide fund to the various activities of committee, to collect fund for the meals. And after the tournament, his duties is to make the exact financial report of the tournament. Okay, make the exact report of the finance, how much expense. Boarding and loading. Before the tournament, his duties is to get the details about the team who are coming from outside, arranging the equipment like bedding, pillar, bed, etc. Plan for their good meals, etc. During the tournament, their duties is to make comfortable stay of the tournament, comfortable stay of the team, providing them good meal, etc. And after the tournament, his duties is to collect and return the borrowed equipment. Ceremonial committee, his duties is to organize the opening and closing ceremony. During the tournament, his duties is to manage the guests, organizing official during the opening and closing ceremony, welcoming guests, prize distributions, etc. and post to return the equipment. Press and media committee, before the tournament, his duty is to inform about the tournament to the press, media, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to make a daily report of the tournament, and after the tournament, his duties is to highlight the main features of the tournament. Certificate writing committees, his responsibility before the tournament is to collect the certificate from the organizing secretary, get instructions regarding how to fill the certificate. During the tournament, his duties is to write the certificate beautifully and carefully, to give the participation certificate to non-positional holders, etc. After the tournament, his duties is to return the unused or damaged certificate to the organizing secretary. First aid committee, his responsibility before the tournament is to arrange all the medical requirement for that tournament, like medicines, tools, etc. During the tournament, his duties is to provide the first aid to the injured persons or sick person. Transportation committee, his responsibility before the tournament is to pick up of arrival teams, during to provide the transportation facility. Announcement committee, his responsibility is to arrange and check the public address systems, to make the important announcement, and recorders to arrange the required equipment to keep the record of the match result, etc. These are the various committees which are required to conduct the tournament. If you want to conduct a tournament, this committee are required, like chairpersons, organizing committee, technical committee, financial committee, ground arrangement committee, boarding and loading committee, etc. This committee should perform their responsibility, perform their duties with full responsibility, coordinating with each others, so that the program, so that the tournament is smoothly conducted. This is about the committee. Okay, so we have discussed about planning, its objective, importance, and various committee and their responsibility. Planning, it is an intellectual, it is thinking in advance about what to do, when to do, how to do, etc. It is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about setting up goal and developing strategies to attain our goal. In planning, we set our goal, develop strategy, outline the tasks and schedule to achieve our goal. Objectives of planning is to achieve the aim of program. If we make planning, we can achieve our aim efficiently. To consider the requirement, in planning we consider what are the requirement for the program. If we make planning, the chance of mistake will be reduced. It's have to bring coordinations. If we make planning, there will be the proper coordinations between various committees to make available resource. If we make planning, then there will be the efficient use of available resource. We make the arrangement. If there is no resource, we make the arrangement of the resource. We borrow it or buy it. Making of schedules. In planning, we make the schedule of the tournament and organize our tournament according to that schedule, so there will be the less wastage of time, money, resource, etc. Give informations. If we make planning, it's have to give informations about the tournament. Make approve. We can make approve of the tournament from higher authority with the help of planning. If we make planning, it's help to guide various committees, guiding them their duties, etc. These are the objective and importance of planning. Importance of planning is give directions. If we make planning, it give direction to achieve our goal. Reduce the pressures. If we make planning, there will be the less pressure during the tournament. Increase creative idea. The success of the tournament will be more. If we make planning, the chance of mistake will be less, due to which the chance of success will be more. There will be the proper coordination between each others, less wastage, increase efficiency, etc. And to organize the tournament, we require committee. Committee, it is a group of people, and for smooth conduct of tournament, we need to make various committees, and this committee should perform their duties with full responsibility, coordinating with each others, like chairperson, technical committee, organizing committee. Chairperson, that is head of the tournament, who plan for the tournament, provide budget, arrange all the finance, fund, chief technical advisors, organizing secretary who organize the tournament, ground arrangement, technical, discipline committee, reception committee, finance committee, first aid committee, ceremonial committee, etc. These are the committees which are responsible to organize the tournament, to organize the smooth conduct of the tournament. Okay, thank you student.